How to check login activity on Snapchat. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can check login activity on Snapchat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your Snapchat. After you open up your Snapchat, you will need to tap on your Bitmoji that is on the top left corner. After you tap there, you will see the settings icon on the top right corner. It's the gear looking icon. Tap on it. After you do that, under My Account, scroll down and there you should find an option called Session Management. Tap on Session Management, and after you do that, there you will see all of your profiles. And there you will see all of your sessions that is logged in. So that is basically your login activity. Now you can remove any session that you want from here. Simply tap on the cross button on there and tap on OK to log out. And that's basically how you check and edit your login activity, guys. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more.